Welcome guys to the Crochet Beads channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to crochet this mini lace snowflake. It is beginner friendly pattern. It will take you only 5 minutes to finish the snowflake, and it will be perfect to decorate, for example, your Christmas tree, crochet Christmas tree. By the way, this Christmas tree is already posted on my YouTube channel and on my blog. For this tutorial I was using uh, this yarn, so it is yarn, the yarn weight is super fine, number one, and here you will need 3.5 millimeters crochet hook, but I'm using a little bit smaller 1.5 millimeter to make the snowflake even smaller. And you may use, for example, for this snowflake I was using lighter yarn. This one, yarn number 10, so it looks like this, and it looks great as well, especially on the knitted or crocheted accessories. So choose the yarn. You may use any weight yarn, but to make it mini, so I'm going to use the fine yarn, super fine yarn now, and 1.5 millimeters crochet hook. And here you see the difference. And let's get started. Start with magic ring and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the third chain from hook, make a slip stitch. Now chain 2, and now we are going to work into the same third chain, but already through the previous slip stitch. So through the slip stitch and through the third chain, again make a slip stitch. And repeat again, chain 2 and make a slip stitch again through the previous slip stitch, through 2 slip stitches, and through the third chain, so there will be like 3 loops on your hook in this way, and make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch. Now work slip stitch in next 2 chain, 1, 2, and slip stitch into the circle, into the magic ring. Now chain 2. Now make slip stitch into the second chain from hook and slip stitch into the circle. And that's what we are going to repeat now for 4 more times. So in total 5, but we are going to repeat 4 more times. Chain 5, now into the third chain from hook, make a slip stitch. Now chain 2, make slip stitch into the same chain but through the previous slip stitch. So it's like 2 loops. And again chain 2 and slip stitch into the same stitch but through the slip stitch through the second slip stitch and through the third chain. Now slip stitch in next two chain and slip stitch into the circle. Now chain 2, slip stitch into the second chain from hook and slip stitch into the center of the circle. So we have repeated the pattern twice. Let's repeat it again. Chain 5 into the third chain from hook, make a slip stitch. Now chain 2, slip stitch into the same stitch, chain 2, again slip stitch into the same stitch, now slip stitch in next two chain, slip stitch into the center, chain 2, slip stitch into the second chain from hook and slip stitch into the center again. Now repeat the pattern for 2 more times. Here I am, so I have 5 points in total. I've done the last slip stitch and now join to first chain. Cut the yarn. So that's what we have. Now you need to pull the tail and close the center of the circle. I'm going to use a yarn needle and weave in. Okay, and repeat for the second tail as well. Or use that tail to sew the snowflake. Here it is. And all my other snowflakes. Thank you guys so much for watching this short tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're looking for written instruction, you can always find it on my blog. Please check the link down. I wish you all a good day. I wish you Merry Christmas and see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye!